Boy, that was a nice one too. All right. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Whoop, bye. Come on, be a big one. Yep. Bigger. Not 3 pounds. Alright, I just got on the water. It's Wednesday, 14 May. About 7:35. Beautiful day. Very glassy and just looks very fishy. So I think it's going to be a good time. We're going to, once again, I want to fish with it's a Bass Pro stik-o green pumpkin black flake. I've got a Arkansas Shiner fluke that I'm going to drag on the back and sometimes fish with. And I put just a little Bass Pro jig on. I want to give that a try time to time. It's a little deeper, probably goes down. I'm thinking about 6 feet. That's kind of what I'm looking at, the target. Because most of the water that I'm fishing that in is probably no more than 10 feet. So it's coming down a little bit. Let's go ahead and get started. My goal, big fish day. Big fish day, whatever it takes. I'm not even sure where I'm gonna go, but let's do this. Well, it's a pretty day. The water temperature is about 82 degrees. But what's better than that is I think the max is gonna be about 80 degrees today, the time I'm fishing, so that is perfect. Don't have to worry about the cameras overheating or me overheating. And guess what? I got water. My last video, you probably, well, if you watched it, which only a handful of people did, but I'll tell you what, I knocked my water out. And luckily, whenever I went back to my house, it had washed up on the bank. It was full, so it went straight to the bottom for a while, so I sat there and waited, but we lucked out. Oh, this is a little fish. First fish of the day. Within the first 10 minutes. Probably the first 5 minutes. Whoa, don't be pissing on me, dog. Not bad. Beautiful first fish of the day. Look at that. My day's gonna be great. Didn't like the throw, but we'll see. It's a small fish, I think. Yeah. Well, yeah, it's small. Not tiny, but good healthy fish though. Little fish. Yeah, that's a big fish. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, I just screwed the pooch. Oh, no. Uh-oh. This is a bigger fish, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, baby. All right. All right. That's good fish. Let's see. Let's get a length on it. I'll try to hurry. I don't want to stress the fish any more than I have to. A little over 18. A little over 18. And let's see what the weight is on it. I bet 3 pounds, which would be fine. Okay. All right, let's see. It says 3.5 pounds. I'm gonna try it one more time. All right, let's see. .3. This is a little bit lower than it did the last time. Alright, shut off so I don't waste my battery. There you go. Yeah, a little over 3 pounds. Go on back, buddy. There you go. There you go. Alright, let's see. Do we have... Yeah, we can get another fish out of this baby. Another little one. Bye-bye, buddy. Oh. Heard a big gator grunting at me. You hear that? He's saying I'm here. You hear that? Roar. Yeah, I hear you, buddy. Oh. Look at that. It's got a fish. That's a big shiner it has. That's a big shiner. Not a big one, little fish, but it's fish. He's got it in his mouth. Boy, he inhaled it. Oh man, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to save him. Yeah, it's iffy. Alright, this is a gar, and I don't want him. Alright, let's see if we can catch or release this sucker. Alright. Alright, we gotta look at our line real good now. Let's cut it. It is worth the time to cut and retie instead of losing a big fish. Always remember that. If in doubt, just Just do it. Just cut it. Little bitty fish. If it's still on there, we're very lucky. Damn, 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 damn. What? That was not what you wanted to do. At all. At all.
And where can you go if you wanted to eat? Basically eat and drink all day, whenever you want. You got a food, you know, entertainment.
Yeah, I mean, it's... I knew I'd get one.
This one, right? Under the bridge.
Always. Wish his grandpa'd get on here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I see about a week ago, Bob caught another snook.
He tears those things up.
I'm telling you.
Got some fish under me. We have got to start catching some fish here. We're on a dry spell since the bridge. Oh boy, that was a nice one too. That was a nice one. About probably 3 pounds or so. All right. Let's go big. Go big. Not a bad fish. Not big. But you know what? Dry spell's over. Not bad. All right. Oh my Lord. Another big fish. I'm sucking. I am sucking today. Wow. That was another 3 pounds or so. I think you'll be able to see it on video. Last two fish were about 3 pounds that I missed. Glad I'm not in a tournament. That'd been 6 pounds of fish lost. Last throw. Right here. Whoop, bite. Come on, be a big one. Yep. Bigger. Not 3 pounds. Oh, Lordy. Oh, shit. Oh, Lordy, Lordy, Lordy. Gosh, that's difficult. Yeah, 2+ pound fish. Good fighting fish. It won. It beat me. Well, in a tournament, how bad would I be getting beat up right now? Was that 8 pounds plus of fish in 3 fish? Just lost. All right, I'm at my house now. It was a pretty good day fishing. Caught one good one. I lost several pretty good ones. I mean, a bad day of fishing is better than a good day at work, so I'm not working. Thanks for fishing with me. We are at my house. I found a couple of fire ant hills, so I'm gonna take care of those, get all the stuff put away, and be done for the day.